What is up, you guys? Right now I'm actually getting my hair ready to show you guys how to create a slick back hairstyle. So this hairstyle is so popular and something that you can rock to almost any event. So if you're interested in learning how to create this look, please keep watching. So this next hairstyle is going to be a slick back, but we're gonna make it a little bit more edgy. So we're gonna start off with a diagonal part, you guys. So let me show you. You're gonna grab your favorite oil. You're going to slick your hair back. You want to grab that same brush that we used before, and you're just going to slowly and gently brush backwards. Once you have it in place, you want to go ahead and hairspray it down. So like that, it doesn't move. That didn't taste good. You're going to go ahead and do the other side. Key to this hairstyle is the oil coming first and then making sure that you spray everything down so like that nothing moves, you guys. You can use gel, but if you use gel, you want to make sure that one, your hair is wet and that it dries in place. And then number two, if you're going to use hairspray, you can bobby pin the sides if you want and have it hold, or just leave them in there so like that nothing moves. So I'm personally just going to leave it down because I did put enough oil before so like that my hair doesn't really move. And now I'm going to do another layer of hairspray or what? I'm going to do another layer of hairspray. And there you guys have it. Chic, glam. It's out of your face, and honestly, this is perfect for a concert, especially if you're gonna be outside, you guys, because once again, that humidity, the heat, and the sweat are just always killers. So avoid a headache, avoid a messy hairstyle or a droopy hairstyle by just creating one that's gonna last all night.